ka jing rakhe dap hnru phau sunam joka College of Teachers Education CTE PGT ka bade ka shlem aji hi kai ban pentbet iki samla haki kam hi kai menta ka sitrik unai wing ar pulai kala pen kunno ye ka jing rakhe college week ka ba sedang naduk ar pnyu terik urisau hakane si penkut pensiong siet ye ka program de ki samla pule ki belai ki jing ruai bat ki jing shat hakane si penkut ye ka college week lawan mayadon benta do MLA ka nongkrem uba Ardent milar basai moy belawru kumukong san harangkat ka jing don lang ka principal ka college ka Dr. RM Tongper ka principal borim ka Shillong College ka kong PR lingdo ki nohikai ki samla pule bat kiwi kuwe ki bala chakos ngubha habakren kumukong san hakane ka sngi uba Ardent ula kentui ki samla ba sya pen tebet baki day manlong ki baslur manong ya ka bakim sngowi hap ne ya kano ka kam kabala bensiet las nguthu shai bakim kwat ka bor ban le.
I would also like to greet all members of the teaching staff, members of the non-teaching staff, and all the student teachers. I would also like to wish all the participants who have participated in this whole week that you have organized as the college. In fact, it is an honor for me to speak before a group of teachers who are responsible for imparting education and training to the teaching community, and also in the midst of those who would become the nation builders in the near future. I am also very delighted to learn that this College Week is being observed as part of the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the college. So I wish each one of you a very happy Diamond Jubilee. When I speak here today in this occasion, I am reminded of what was written in the scriptures, which says that there is time for everything. Therefore, it is not advisable for us to go against what was written in the scripture. I must appreciate the college authority for organizing this college week, and I am happy that a chance is being given to all the students to participate in different items. Indeed, it is a needed break for each one of you from weeks and months of studies, duties, responsibilities, assignment, so on and so forth. A program like this is going to revitalize our minds and rejuvenate our bodies. Nowadays, we used to hear people complaining about burning out completely with loads of work, and many are becoming victims of the pressure in life. We have also been hearing that health is wealth, which is a very old saying, but still relevant even today. We should keep in mind that health must be accorded a top priority in our lives. If we manage to stay healthy, we will be definitely able to complete our works and duties and live a happy life. Therefore, despite our busy schedule, we must find a way out to give time to our physical need. In the past, people used to consider that a gym is meant only for bodybuilding. However, in these days, people go to the gym for health reasons. We are now living not only in a very difficult times, but in a very stressful condition. Therefore, if we fail to give attention to our health, we may put our lives in danger. Remember that stress does not affect our physical bodies only, but it disturbs our minds. Many people are made to think too much because of the pressure in workplace, and many become sick as a result of these pressures.